Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. How many blocks will be there in the next figure? Now let's look at the pattern of number of blocks in each figure. So let's see, first figure has 1 block, second has 3, third has 6, fourth has 10 and fifth has 15 blocks. So the pattern here is, let's see, first has first, in second figure 2 blocks are added to the previous number of blocks. In third figure 3 blocks are added to the previous number of blocks. Now in next figure 4 blocks are added. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 blocks are added. And in next figure 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 blocks are added. So see the pattern here. In second figure 2 were extra added, in third 3 were added, in fourth 4 were added, and in fifth 5 were added. Therefore in next figure, that is sixth figure, 6 extra blocks will be added. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, which is equal to 21 blocks will be there in next figure. So answer is 21 blocks.